In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the inside door handle on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We're going to take this off. Just use a small pick. And you want to pull this little door outward, and then this slides right up, just like that. I'm going to take this panel off. Just use a trim tool. It's just clipped in. You get a couple clips there. Take this cover off. Just use a pick. Get underneath here, there's a little slot that you can get in there. Pop that off. And there's a cover right here. We just want to get a pick, get behind that, and just pull that out. It's just clipped in. Pull the switch plate up. Just use a trim tool underneath here in the back. Pops up. It pops up in the front. And disconnect the connectors. Push down on the tabs. Those all slide out. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. And take these two bolts out. Same 10mm socket. One there and one there. Use a magnet if you need to. Now we're going to remove the whole door panel. Just use a trim tool. There's push pins holding it in. Just go around the perimeter. Just pop it out. Grab the panel. Slide it up, pull it out a little bit. Now we want to remove the cable. Just use some needle nose pliers. We're just going to squeeze the two sides in. There's two little tabs. There we go. Pull that off and then pull the ball out. You can see where these two little tabs are. You just squeeze those, just like that. And grab the panel, and it slides right out. Now we're going to take these screws out, use a 7mm socket. Those two out. This is clipped in right here and here. Just take a straight blade screwdriver, just pry that out, push it down a little bit. It'll pop right out. Slide that out. Then we still have a screw right there. I'm going to use your 7mm socket. Take that screw out. And the switch. I'm just going to push that switch through. And that pops off. Take the new handle. Slide the switch through. And push that on. Take the screw right there, we'll put that one in. Snug that down. From the front, slide the wires through. Line this all up. Lock it in position. That's good. Take all the screws. There's two, right there and right there. And we'll snug those down. Now we can reinstall the door panel. Take this cable, we'll get the cable started. Slide the ball through. And push that on. And fish all the wires through. That's good. Now slide the door panel into the window channel. sure that's lined up. Make sure the lock rod comes through here. Now I'll put these screws in. Snug those down. And these two as well. Now connect the connector for the windows, for the window switch and door lock switch. Just line these up. It is written out on here what color goes where. So there's the brown one. That's a gray one. And a black and white. And line this up. Lock it down. Put this cover in place. Push it down. This cover we're going to put on, you want to clip the bottom in first and then just push it in on the top. Just like that. This trim piece, line the pins up, push it down. And the lock knob, make sure the lock rod is all the way up. Slide that in place and then push down on that square. Double check it. It's working good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.